Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search in your conversation on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and after that select the conversation in which you would like to search. So click on the relevant person's name, then tap on its name or the profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find the search in conversation option. Click on it and type in that particular keyword, which will help you to find that part that you are interested in. And here you can see the results containing that keyword that you have just typed in. If you click on it, you will be directed to that particular part in your conversation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.